Welcome to problem set 6B. This CS50's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence in Python. Today we will be working on problem set 6B question, the final problem set. And yeah, let's get started. So let's just try the standard queries according to the specification first. Okay. I've actually tried some other queries already, and later I'll share. Honestly, most queries are a little wonky, but that's because of you're only allowing the AI to reply one sentence. Okay, and then next, so types of exactly as is matched. Oops. Okay, so again, it's a match of the response according to the specification. Okay, so again, exact match. Okay, so now let's try two questions of our own. So these two questions, honestly, I did curate them because I just felt that it made much more sense rather than having a random question that with a nonsense answer. So when was neural networks founded? Okay, so in the 2010s, blah 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 blah. Okay, so this does sound roughly like or rather gives a right question to this answer. Okay, and then now another question, how do you train an AI? See, fuzzy logic. Okay, a bit well, you can see that this answer doesn't really make sense. It just works according to how the algorithm works. Yeah, so let's try one more question. I managed to get. Oh, okay. So if I phrase this question slightly differently, how is an AI trained? Yeah. So it does sound like a bit of answering this question. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. And let me just show one last thing, which is just how if only one sentence is matched because of how constrained this algorithm is, where you can only reply one answer or rather one sentence out of all the corpus. If you ask something like what is regression, right, then it can unfortunately only give you the title because this is what is the closest to it. But if I can change the sentence match to maybe say about 3, and honestly I haven't tested with this. Let's just try again and see what is what's the rest of the answers. Okay, so what is regression again? Yeah, so you see, this is of course a much better answer than just basic only this title, because this is not what we're looking for. At least this gives us some much more information on regression. So we know that it is a type of supervised learning algorithm, and that it is often extended by regularization. So for instance, okay, so this sentence match is important in terms of how good the answer you want the AI to reply. Okay, and with that, that's the end of this problem set. It's actually a resubmission because previously I only did these questions. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see y'all whenever. Take care.